So my Raspberry Liqueur was a hit. I mean, this is all I have left, so it's time to definitely make some more, and I'm actually going to make a double batch today. I mean, this is honestly some of the best stuff I've made. It is brilliant. You gotta try it. Man, that is so good. First things first is we need our half-gallon jars. We're gonna start off by putting in a cup and a half of sugar. After the sugar, I'm gonna put about half my raspberries in. So, and just pour them in. Yeah, that's a good place to start. And we're just gonna pour some vodka in. If you want to follow the same recipe that I am at home, I'm using Sveta vodka. Cap it up and we're gonna shake the piss out of it. Try to get the sugar to dissolve some. Now top off with the rest of your raspberries. And since this is a double batch, I'm gonna get the second one going now. I don't think I've got quite enough vodka to do both, so I'm gonna go ahead and top this one off and I'm gonna put the rest in here, and I'm gonna pick up some more vodka after I'm done with this fill. Yeah, that was nowhere near enough vodka. Whoops. But this one's ready, so I'm gonna shake the piss out of it again. Last time I did this, I let it sit for about 2 weeks and it came out amazing. I shook it once, twice a day, and that's what I'm gonna do this time, and that's kind of what I would recommend for you. Though you can leave it just for 24 to 48 hours. You will impart a lot of the flavor, but it won't be quite as, there won't be quite as much depth to it if you don't let it sit for a while. Over time, the fruit will start to whiten. It'll actually turn a little grayish, kind of. It's fine. Nothing wrong with it, just keep shaking it. Remember that alcohol is actually an antiseptic and will kill off pretty much anything that's in there, so not too worried about anything growing. I don't know if you can tell already, but it's already imparted a lot of the color into the vodka itself. Now I'm gonna let this sit for about 2 weeks, shake it once, twice a day, and we'll try it then. Time out real quick. Hey, these videos kind of get a little expensive to make. If you would do me the favor of hitting that like button, and if you're enjoying this, hit that subscribe button, I would greatly appreciate it. So I'll see y'all next time. Cheers.